Ooh, my Lemons prize has arrived. I'm so excited. All right, let's see what's inside our boxes. Let's get comfortable first. What are we gonna open first? What's this? Not heavy. It grinds. Let's see what we got. Wheel cleaner, washing, a lot of stuff. Crayon wax, thread, microfiber wash pad, fire shine, spray nozzles, wheel cleaner. Ooh, I could use that. Rubber cleaner. Nice. Way much. It's a trophy. A rust belt. I'll zoom into this. Look, it's made from a brand of belt that most kids never heard of. Spank. That's awesome. Display it proudly with my car. What's in the envelope here? Is this what they said? Ooh, I can't believe they did this. Classic Motorsports Magazine, the Tiki Barber Motorsports Park Edition, and my car is on the cover. That's friggin' great. It's not just a car, it's a way of life. That's my slogan here at Scrap Daddy's Garage. That's awesome. Ooh, wow. Ready, willing, and extraordinary. That's great. Look at all this awesome stuff. And a magazine cover too, great. And a funky friggin' trophy. That's awesome. We got $300 in eBay Motors gift certificate to spend. I'm probably gonna make some improvements somewhere in the car with that money. There is nothing to do with the engine in this car because this car does not have an engine. It has a Saturn power module. So no improvements there. So we're gonna do something to give this car a new latitude. 1 week later, we added a PA speaker to play our theme music, and I said we're gonna do something to give this car a new latitude, so check it out. Suspension drop, stanced. It's totally awesome and totally undrivable. Wow. Look at that. Cue the music.